motion print, get with it, get lost. If y'all fall for something, you fall for anything. Let's get it. Um, so I'm talking about opportunity I missed out on today. Boom. Let's get on this shit. Alright, we're looking over here. See if I can move this over. Let me break it down real quick for you. So we have the Asian market, which opens at, so when I say the three major markets, the Asia, the Europe, and the United States. Asian market open around 6 o'clock in the afternoon, close around 3 in the morning. And from 3, 4 o'clock in the morning to like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, the European market's open. And then from the United States, from 9:30 in the morning all the way to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But there's also pre-markets, but we're not even going to get there. Alright, so we kind of see how the market moves. The United States, depending on how the previous two markets move, is really how the United States would move. And an opportunity I missed out on was the breakout. I was supposed to wait for the NASDAQ or the Dow Jones to break above here, and then I was supposed to get in the up trade, but instead it went down, and I'm going to break down what happened and why. Alright, and for this shit bite. Boom. So what I was looking at was IWM, or Russell 2000, and the start of the American market open, which is right here. It went like right, I don't know if you can see it, but it started going down. Boom, I didn't get in there because it was just a volatile move. Then it started going up, then it went down and started consolidating and went down. And then it seemed like it was going to go up consistently, gradually going up. It didn't break the 65-day moving average, but instead it went above it a little bit, and then it went down, and then just started continuing going to the downtrend. I was supposed to go into the downtrend, but if you look at when I'm around here, the Dow Jones, the industrial, the Russell 2000, and match it against the Dow Jones, that's where it peaked at. So at the highest of the United States, see, it don't even make sense, because at the top of this, it don't make sense for it to, a reason for it to go down, because no market was even close. All three or all four markets, as you can see, to your left, the Russell 2000, wrong, the Russell 2000, it didn't have no break point or have a reason to go down. Maybe I had to look at the monthly charts. Even for the NASDAQ, it didn't even get to the top of the European market or anything like that, and it just broke down, so I was skeptical. It was choppy. I'm pretty sure a lot of people didn't really make trades because of that. And then as you can see right here, same thing. The S&P 500, Europeans just was constantly going down, market open, and then it just started gradually going down. It went down and went up, 65-day moving average, and then went down. And then which I spoke about before, the Dow Jones, it from Friday's market, which is United States over here, it opened and rocketed up in the Asian market, peaked out, and then started gradually going down. European market gradually going down. Tried to go above it, couldn't. Started open. United States market open, rocket down. It didn't even get close to the top of European market for it to go down. It just didn't make sense. It just started going down. I should have made the trade going from the downside Russell 2000. So now let's look at the IWM, the profit that could have been made from the open of the Russell 2000. We can talk about the other indices, but we focused on the Russell 2000 because it is gamma favored. Gamma, I'm going to explain the deltas, but gamma is something very interesting to look at. So if we look at, let's make this larger. So we focus on the Russell 2000, right? The market opened at 9:30, and it was at, I gotta do IWM for you guys for it to make sense. Boom. Yeah, I don't know why it's lagging. Hey. Body clean, body guys good. Alright. So boom. It opened at 225, right? And then from 225 it just went down. You'd want to wait. You could get in there, but massive jump. So 225, it went all the way down to 223, which is good money. 223.90, which is good money. You know me, bring the charts up. Hey, my we ball. So if I want to look at 225, the open, the left side is for calls, the right side is for puts. So if you ban for the market to go up, you'll do calls. If you ban for the market to go down, you'll do puts. So like I said, we're gonna go 225. That's when the market opened. Copy that. Boom. Alright, we're gonna paste that. Oh, we're gonna use this. It's backwards, but I'm gonna break it down on word here. Alright, so it's in decimals, like I said before. So the market opened here. And then it topped out over here. Alright. So from the opening of the market from 9:30, and this, like I said, it over here on the chart, it started at 225 and then just rocketed down to 223. That was around like 9:52 where it topped or bottomed out, and 9:30 is where it opened. So 9:30 to 9:53 or 9:52. So from 9:30 right here all the way to the top, which is 9:57, we'll say that it was at $133. So 1.33 is 133. I don't know why it's decimals, but it's confusing. But I know it. Get with it or get lost. I'm gonna break it down later on my next video probably. So if you bought it at 60 and then rolled it up, boom, that would have been a nice little, what is it? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, nice $80 off one contract. You can buy as much as you like, but it'd be risky. And it went back down. You could have just got in another one and bought it on the up or bought it on the down. And that's pretty much it, really. Yes, sir. I just kind of wanted to break that down on today's breakdown. I'm not even mad about myself. I should have waited. So I took an L on the trade. So it rocked it down. Right here, remember it was like 133. Then over here was like 160, right? I should have waited. It didn't break through that. Went down. Should have bought in here, but it don't really matter. I should have, but it's cool. Then it started going up. It didn't have nowhere to go. It didn't break the 65-day moving average, and it just started going down. And this is how I lost. I lost because I thought it was going to break. It had the two tops, and it was going to start going up. As you can see, the other indices didn't break that down, so it started going down. And that's pretty much it. Yes, sir. And that's today's trades, Monday. Oh, Lord.
Yes, today is Monday.